Alpha Team, this is base. Coordinates confirmed. Proceed with the benchmark installation.
Over. Slow. Watch the gasket. We need that clamp now.
Confirmed at 4,500, 8 inches complete. Trucks, you are clear to dump the second lift on 26 right. Bring that grader down to the east end of 8 right.
Copy that. Watch the water truck at station 40.
We need another pour sequence on the foundation.
That's the alignment point for the continuous footing. Hold the rod steady there.
Slow it down, we are almost there.
Get the vibrator right in the center.
Okay, start the screed board.
Easy down, we need 2 inches left. 2 inches left. All right, spike it, we're clear.
Bring her down easy. Watch up below, coming through. Okay, bring it left a little. Great. Keep it coming, watch the edge. We need more mud on this side. All right, move the screed up. Down slow, hold it there.
Torque wrench engaged.
Grout pump active. This section is ready for inspection.
Spacing is perfect. Approved for concrete.
Bring her down easy now, we're almost lined up.
Roger that. Steady as she goes. A little more to the west.
Bring the polisher up to speed. We're getting a great shine on this gray.
First connection secure.
Moving to the next one, keep the tension steady.
Atlanta Tower, radio check on all frequencies. Confirm operational.
All right, easy on the lowering, watch the alignment.
Copy that. Ready for the inspection on joint 5.
Easy, easy. Bring it down slow.
Clearance on the left. Set it down.
Pad's in place, she's secure.
Bring it down 20 centimeters.
Hold it there.
Ovens are calibrated and the flat top is ready. Let's get the first orders rolling.
Yes, chef. 2 specials and a Chick-fil-A combo up now.
Perfect. The transaction went through. We are officially ready for opening.
A fusion of art and engineering, these installations reflect Atlanta's vibrant culture, welcoming the world with a sense of wonder.
Welcome to the Sky Club. What can I get started for you?
I'll have an old-fashioned, thank you.
Attention, simulated emergency at Concourse B. Reroute all incoming immediately.
Diverting traffic to the east apron.
Incident contained. Simulation successful.
Signal localized and stable.
Checklist complete. The airport is now cleared for operations.
Welcome to the new Concourse A.
Thank you. It's quite impressive.
Attention all staff. Your assignments are now available at the digital kiosks. Please report to your designated gates or security lanes promptly.
Welcome to the grand opening. Here is your boarding pass, Mr. Smith.
Oh, thank you. This is exciting.
Security is straight ahead.
Welcome aboard the Delta TriStar.
Checklist complete. Release the brakes.
Roger that. Commencing pushback.
Delta 101, cleared for takeoff.
I missed you so much, sweetheart.